Hey everyone, so we're in my kitchen and today we're gonna go ahead and make loaded nachos. Now this is really easy, I love it, and you can make so much of it. Right now I already have the tortilla chips. I just put down a little bit and because I like to put the cheese in there and then load on some more chips and then we're gonna garnish it. And we have our cilantro and our mushrooms. These are crimson mushrooms. Well, these are mushrooms. You can really use any mushrooms. And white onion, avocado, tomato, our seasoning that I'll go into in a bit, and then we have our cheese sauce. So the cheese sauce I have already made, so I'll put the link right over here. If you want to know the ingredients for the cheese sauce and see how I make it, you can go ahead and click that video. But I already already have it pre-made because we do have that link up there. So I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to throw together a really great loaded nacho, all plant-based, super fresh, and I feel like really good ingredients and nutritionally dense. So this is the part where we're gonna go ahead and saute the mushrooms. So I'm gonna take these mushrooms, put them in here. I'm basically using a little bit of olive oil just to get the pan oiled up. And we're gonna go ahead and this is a blend of chili powder. I put 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. So that way I get more of a beefy aroma. I'm gonna go ahead and season with a little bit of black pepper, pinch a little salt in it, and a tiny, tiny pinch of garlic powder. These are so loaded. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in, get some mushrooms on there, cilantro, and I already know that these jalapenos are gonna be super spicy. I love loaded nachos. These are so good. They're so fresh. They taste great. They don't taste wrong, but they're so good. I think this is a super healthy snack. You have your tomatoes, your mushroom, your seasonings. There's no added salt. no added sodium, so you can snack on this all day. This is actually really incredible. I hope you guys try it out.